An isosceles right triangle ABC with AC as the hypotenuse and a circle with center at A and radius AB, this is the radius and this is the hypotenuse, intersect AC at D. What is the ratio of the area of BAD to the area of BCD? So again, okay, so question here is the ratio of the area of the sector BAD to the area of region BCD. Now we have an isosceles right triangle ABC. So if this is a right triangle, this one of the angles is 90 degrees and that is opposite of the hypotenuse, which is here. Now the radius AB is here. Since this is an isosceles right triangle, so the angle here is 45 degrees and of course here is 45 degrees. And of course the legs here is the same with the legs here, or congruent. Okay, so since the angle A is 45 degrees, so we could use this one to get the area of BAD. Now the area of a sector is 1/2 r squared times theta. And now we have an angle here which is 45 degrees. So let's start of converting it first to radian so that we can use it to our formula. So 45 degrees, so 45 times pi over 180, that's pi over 4. So we could use pi over 4 as our angle theta for our formula. So 1/2 r squared times pi over 4. So of course the given here is only the length, the AB, which is the r, so we don't have the value of r. So 1/2 r squared times pi over 4. So that's 2 times 4, so the denominator is 8, and then 1 times pi is pi and r squared. So pi r squared over 8 is the area of the sector, the BAD. Now let's get the area of the region BCD. So we can get it by subtracting the whole area of the triangle ABC minus the area of the BAD. Now, let's get the area of the triangle ABC. If you remember, the area of a triangle is equal to base times height over 2. So the given here is the AB, or the height is r, or the radius. So since this is an isosceles triangle, so the two legs are congruent, so this is also r. So therefore, this is r times r over 2. So r times r is r squared over 2. That's the area of the triangle ABC minus the area of the sector BAD, which is this one, pi r squared over 8. So the area of region BCD is equal to let's get the common denominator, which is 8. 8 divided 2 is 4. 4 times r squared is 4r squared minus pi r squared. So this is the answer. The area of region BCD is 4r squared minus pi r squared over 8. Okay, the real question here is the ratio of area of sector BAD to the area of region BCD. So the area of sector BAD over area of region BCD. So the area of sector BAD is pi r squared over 8 over the area of the region BCD is 4r squared minus pi r squared over 8. Since the numerator is a fraction and the denominator is also a fraction, let's reciprocate the denominator. So pi r squared over 8, then the reciprocal of denominator, 8 over 4r squared minus pi r squared, and that's multiply. So we can cancel 8 here. So that's pi r squared over 4r squared minus pi r squared. We can factor this one, so that's we can separate r squared. So r squared times 4 minus pi. And of course we could cancel r squared. So the remaining here is pi over 4 minus pi, which is the answer of the question, the ratio of this area of sector BAD to the area of this region BCD. So that's it for the topic of the angle measuring. God bless everyone.